Hi everyone, welcome if this is your first time here. Welcome back if this is a return trip. My name is April. This is the Frugal Planner channel, and today I am just updating my spiral notebook planner. This planner I think I got at Walmart last year during their back to school sale. It is 8 by 10.5 ish, maybe 10 3/4. It's pretty good size. She's got some bulk. Anyway, originally I was using this planner, just this notebook, to do like ideas for layouts. And then I did this layout, which was a Dutch door, and didn't really care for it. It was just too much room for the days. So then I decided I'm going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to make sure you're in screen. Perfect. Try something a little bit different and do the Dutch door at the bottom and have the month up here. I really, really like this look. And so far, I mean, this was the first week of March and this is the week that we're in now. So far, I think it's working really, really well. Really well. And let's see, I do need to add, I'm going to grab... So the headers here are Planner Kate. This is from the Happy Planner sticker book. And then I've got some washi tape down here at the bottom that I got from AliExpress. And then I'm just using some Crayolas of the World, Colors of the World Crayola markers. But I wanted to put on the 16th, which is a Sunday. I'm using my Pen and Gear 0.7 gel pen from the barn for St. Patty's Day. So I'm going to put, after the live, I'm going to put, I think it's at 5. So maybe I'll put it down here. 5 p.m. And I really like this layout because everything is in a very tidy column. Like everything, even when you switch to the new week, new tidy columns. So it's just really easy to put things in as I go up here and then transfer them down to the, appropriate week. So like this one, I can fill in some stuff. This one, I won't. I'll do that. I'll do that next week, but having an at a glance, I really am enjoying this so much. Also, I know a lot of you, because I did the poll, follow both channels, both Plan with April and the Frugal Planner channel. So with that knowledge, I'm really going to try to do 2 totally different things on each channel. So next month, stay tuned. I'm going to be switching it up a little bit, and we're going to have different, not just different notebooks, but different things, different topics, different, rather than hearing my life story twice, which I try not to repeat it, but this world traveler, kidding, just kidding. So I did do this one, I did not make a hair appointment, so I'm going to transfer it over here. Oh, and somebody had mentioned in the comments the Pilot Friction pens that are erasable. I have tried them in the past. I haven't tried them recently, so I may put them in my shopping cart as a wish list item to get. I did love the idea that you had of putting my checklist in with the friction, and then if I didn't get it done, just erase it and move it to the next day. I do like that because then it would be less cluttered. Authenticity, it wouldn't be very authentic, but because then I would be like, look, I get everything done every day. You all know better. Like, you watch me plan. You know I don't get everything done throughout the day. Like, there's so many days I don't get it done. So I really do like that idea. And then somebody else had another idea that for the notebook that I was talking about, having like an all-in-one, doing like a 5 subject notebook. I really like that idea. So you guys just keep those ideas coming because I read your comments. I try to reply to all of them. Sometimes I'm a little slow, but definitely, keep giving me those insights because it helps me so very much. All right, so I've got that. Good morning.
Morning.
Did not do that. I did that, and I did that. And then City Council, we watched that last night. They voted yes to increase the amount of chickens on your property and no to raise your water rates 1.5%. So that was pretty good. Oh, I also need to make a nail appointment. Nails? Question mark. Yeah, I'm surprised it's already Thursday. I feel like it's just going by so fast. So I'm going to put, instead of doing the dots down here, I think I'm going to grab the washi tape. That was another question that I was asked, and I didn't realize I do this. So usually when I put a piece of washi tape down, I do it like this, and then I will cut this side and cut this side. And the person asked, why do I do that when I have an already clean cut end? I'm like, I don't know. Oh, remember off of Christmas Vacation? I don't know, Margot. I may be the only one that gets that reference, and that's okay. You guys know. So that was a very good question. I will reply in the comments, but I don't know. I really don't know why I do that. If I just think it's faster than trying to like line it up and go, but it's not. I just did it. It's totally not faster. And I would waste less of my washi tape. So I'm going to consciously try to keep that in mind when I'm putting washi tape down in my planner to not do the tear on both sides. So thank you. I appreciate the question because it brings awareness to what I'm doing. I'm also going to put down here we had chicken tacos. And they were amazing. Wes made homemade corn tortillas. Chef's kiss. They're amazing. It's my brother's birthday today, so I need to wish him a happy birthday. I will definitely do that later. Oof, that heater is just kicking on. All right. What other questions did I get? Oh, someone also asked this notebook here that has, let me flip to a clean page, the graph at the top and then the lines at the bottom. I didn't purchase this. I got it as a gift from a friend. So I don't know. It is called Graph College Ruled Composition Notebook, 5 squares per inch. It looks like Office Depot. So you can get it at Office Depot. But yeah, it's amazing. And I'm thinking about switching to this one next month. I haven't decided yet because I still like the idea of the composition notebook or the five subject notebook. But I also like how this one is so easy to make into a Dutch door. Like, I love this. Love it. Anyway, who's it, what's it? We got totally sidetracked. But I love your questions. I love your comments. I look forward to them. In fact, when I'm done filming, that is exactly what I'm going to do. I am going to be checking emails. And responding to your comments. And then I'm going to make myself a smoothie, shower, and then pack my lunch. Perfect. Today is going to be a good day. I hope you have an amazing, amazing day. I'll meet you down in the comments. I love you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.